If you got it, it ain't a question. Oh, it ain't no one for guessing. So I'm more than emotionally invested. Showing you all my imperfections.
Hey y'all, what is up? It is your girl Michaela Lene, and I am back with another video. And today's video is going to be a shower routine. These products and this shower routine was inspired by the theme Christmas time. Christmas is my favorite holiday, so I just wanted to do a Christmas shower routine. And first I'm going to be starting off with dry brushing. Y'all know dry brushing is very, very, very important. I'm using this tool from Eco Tools that I picked up from Target, and it's just going to help uplift the dead skin cells and just go ahead and prep your body for the wonderful shower routine. Make sure you follow me at Lene Carroll on Instagram and on TikTok, and make sure you hit that subscribe button and join the family here on YouTube, as I will be dropping banging content for the rest of 2024. I will next be going in with my JoonxMoon Champagne Shower Original Fresh Steamer set. I got this a 7-pack from Target. These shower steamers. And a little bit about this product. Make JoonxMoon Champagne Pack of shower steamers a part of your luxurious bathing ritual. Each steamer is blended with an uplifting aromatherapeutic scent and contains a perfect portion of cocoa and shea butters for a self-care experience like no other. And of course, what you're going to do is just simply place this steamer on the edge of the surface in your shower and just let it do what it's going to do. And I promise y'all, my face. I promise y'all, it was really worth the experience. I'm now finally in the shower, and the first thing I'm going to do is brush my teeth using my Crest baking soda and peroxide whitening toothpaste. I mean, I really don't have to go in much detail. It is a nice toothpaste. It always makes sure my breath and my teeth just look so purty, and it does its job. So I'm going to do that, and then next I will be cleansing my face. To cleanse my face, I will be using the Native Brightening Paraben-Free Facial Cleanser for all skin types in the scent Citrus and Bergamot. And a little bit about this product. With Native's Brightening Facial Cleanser, they use just 11 thoughtful ingredients to craft a cleanser that is sulfate-free and paraben-free. This moisturizing cleanser is gentle enough for everyday use, and it removes dirt, oil, and impurities while leaving skin radiant and bright. Just lather, rinse, smile, and repeat. And I can honestly say I do love this product. It's sulfate-free, paraben-free, contains vitamin C. It is cruelty-free, very cleansing. And I mean, for the price, it's 12 fluid ounces. I paid $9.99. That's not bad. I mean, it could last you a long time. After I cleanse my face, I like to go in with my exfoliant for my body, and I'll be using the Bright Christmas Morning by Bath and Body Works. A little bit about this product. It smells like that first waking up feeling on Christmas morning, fresh and exciting. The fragrance notes are ripe red berries, blood orange, and crisp apple. So what it does, it leaves skin feeling smooth and soft and leaving healthy and radiant. While you'll love it, it is infused with the good stuff, shea butter and vitamin E. The glow up your routine needs and dermatologist tested. Y'all, I only use a little bit, just a little bit. And I can honestly say that little bit got at least the top half, the top that y'all see of my body. Just, oh my gosh, it felt so good. My body felt so soft, and it had an immaculate smell. So I'm going to do that, and then we'll be going in with my first soap.
We could be whatever you want, call it. Promise that you won't let me fall.
Now that the scrub is all rinsed off, I would now like to go in with my first soap, which is the Dove bar soap. It is the unscented one, the original Dove soap. And that's just like my first wash, just to remove all the dead skin before I go in with my scent of the day body wash. So I'm just going to put that Dove soap all over, and then I'll come back in with y'all when I use my body wash for the day. So the body wash in my scent of the day will be coming from Native, and it is in the scent Fresh Mistletoe. And a little bit about this product. This merry fragrance smells just as exciting as the real thing. With the cool and invigorating scent of cedar and sandalwood, it may just become your new favorite holiday tradition. Y'all, when I tell y'all, it smells just like fresh mistletoe, like you're meeting your boo under the mistletoe, getting ready for your little... I mean, y'all, I really did love this product. It lathered really, really well all over my body. Like, I also smelled good and felt good. Like, it really did lather really, really goodly. I really do love this product. I was able to find it on Amazon for like $18.67. $18.67. Because keep in mind, it is it's a Christmas scent, so it only comes around Christmas time. But I really did love this product. For Miss Girl Downstairs, I'll be using the VH Tea Tree Oil and Prebiotic Daily Feminine Wash. And it gently cleanses sensitive intimate area, pH balanced odor defense, and infused with tea tree oil and prebiotics, cranberry, natural extracts, and more for complete feminine health. And this is a holy grail, will not be changing up. Now that I'm out of the shower, I have lotioned my body. The parts y'all cannot see, but some parts of my body you can see, with the Bath & Body Works Bright Christmas Morning Ultimate Hydration Body Cream. And this has shea butter and hyaluronic acid, and it's 24-hour moisture, and it smells really, really good. It's rich and luxurious for instant moisturization. It leaves skin feeling soft, smooth, and replenished. And y'all, I got so many compliments off of that lotion alone because of the scent. Perfume I will be using is the Bright Christmas Morning Fine Fragrance Mist. And it's a scent your skin with the light as air mist that's super layerable. It's the truest way to fragrance, designed for great coverage, and it smells really, really good. And I apply it all over, as y'all can see. Time to get into some skincare. I will be going in with my Mario Badescu Skincare Facial Spray with aloe, herbs, and rose water. And just a little bit about this product. It's a cult favorite multi-purpose mist. It's a classic rose fragrance, revives dehydrated skin with healthy, dewy glow, helps boost skin's clarity with clarifying thyme extract, and reveals radiant, re-energized skin. And I'm just going to apply this all over. For my serum, I'll be going in with the Good Molecules Daily Brightening Serum. And just a little bit about this product. This lightweight water-based formula layers seamlessly under skincare and makeup, making it ideal for daily use. The key ingredients is hyaluronic acid. It bends to moisture and draws it into the skin to maintain a healthy moisture balance and protect from dehydration. And then beta-arbutin. It gently brightens and targets dullness for a visibly clear, even skin tone. And I got this from Ulta for $8. My eye cream, I'm going in with the Good Molecules Yerba Mate Wake Up Eye Gel. And just a little bit about this product. This lightweight, fast-absorbing gel texture sinks into skin instantly for seamless wear under makeup. The key ingredients, you have Yerba Mate, sourced from Brazilian farms that are committed to zero deforestation, pesticide-free farming, and traceability. Caffeine, peptides, and 3 forms of hyaluronic acid helps to plump up appearance of fine lines, reduce puffiness, and promote a bright, energized look. And I got this also from Ulta for $6. For my face moisturizer, I'll be going in with the e.l.f. Cosmetics Holy Hydration Daily Moisturizer. And a little bit about this product. It's a lightweight creamy formula, hydrates skin, enriched with natural nourishing vitamins and antioxidants, locks in moisture for smooth, healthy looking complexion, ideal for daily use. It's great for all skin types. It's 100% vegan and cruelty free. Some of its key ingredients are aloe vera, jojoba oil, shea butter, vitamin E, and grapeseed oil. So the facial oil that I'll be using is also from Good Molecules. It's their ultra hydrating facial oil. And a little bit about this product. It's vegan. It has clean ingredients, cruelty free, sustainable packaging brand, which is beautiful. I love it. It hydrates, nourish, and protect your skin with ultra hydrating facial oil from Good Molecules. The ingredients is chamomile, oleifera seed oil, hippophae rhamnus oil, and I mean, it gets the job done. My face felt really, really good using this oil. It really had a great shine that I liked. Yeah. For my sunscreen, I'll be going in with the Hero Cosmetics Force Shield Super Light Sunscreen Broad Spectrum SPF 30. And just a little bit about this product. Meet your dream sunscreen for acne prone skin. Hero Cosmetic Force Shield Super Light Sunscreen Broad Spectrum SPF 30 is an ultra breathable mineral SPF 30 that checks every box. Airy, light, shine free, and weightless. Summer days never felt so good. And I got this from Target for $19.90. I mean, I got this from Ulta for $19.99. And this brings me to the end of my shower routine. I really do hope you enjoyed it. If you have used any of the products I talked about, please comment down below and let me know your experience. And I will see y'all in my next video. Make sure you hit the subscribe button and follow me on my social medias. Bye.